Hello, in this video we are going to discuss the fifth problem of Ansys, and this is the first kind of truss problem that we are going to deal right now, and these questions are being taken from Ansys lab manual, the same type of manual which is mostly used in most of the colleges and universities. So all these questions are same, and maybe just some numerical differences might be there, but overall these questions are same. But the procedure that is being given till now in these lab manuals, it's not updated. It's according to the older versions of Ansys, and therefore it's not valid now for 2019 version. Therefore we are going to see the latest steps that we are going to follow, latest method that we are going to follow in order to solve these questions. So let's go ahead. Just see this question. We have a two element truss with 2 nodes and third node over here. So we are going to preferences, structural, and in preprocessor add element type as link 180. Then material properties, material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic, and 210 GPa, which is 2.1 E5, and this I am going to take as 2.27. So PRXY is Poisson's ratio, and click OK. Then I'm going to define the area. So link 1, the area is 0.1 meter square, which is 1 E5. Everything is in mm. Now for modeling part, I'm going to create using the nodes itself in active CS. First one is at origin, the second one is in X direction, about 750 mm in X direction. So 750 mm, apply. The third one is in negative Y direction, so it's at the origin 0x but in minus 500 direction. So click OK. So from origin this was minus 500, from origin this was 750. So now we have created nodes. Now we'll create elements through nodes. So this is first element, this is second element, and if you are creating nodes, you don't have to mesh it. If you were creating key points, then you created lines, then we will use meshing, as we have discussed this in probably the third video that we had, or the second video we had. So if you are working with key points and line, then you can mesh it. Otherwise in nodes and elements you don't have to mesh it because it's already a FEM model. Then after modeling we are going to apply the loads, apply structural displacement, and we are going to select on nodes. If you are going to select on key points, it won't see, this is the error there. So you have to select on nodes, and node 1 and 3 are totally constrained. So node 1 and 3, click apply, alt UF, OK, and as we can see, there is a 5 kilonewton force in the negative Y direction, so that we have to define. So that is force on node and in Y direction, but in negative Y direction, so negative of 5 kilonewton. So click OK. So as we can see, we have applied everything. Now the next part is go to solution, solve current LS. OK, no problem, no errors. Now we'll go to general post processing, and in element table we go for define table, and by sequence number ls1. Now we can go for plot result, counter plot, and nodal solution. For DOF solution, displacement vector sum. So OK. So this is the displacement that we are having, and you can save it. Saving we have already discussed in previous videos, so you can check it out over there. Over here for element table, if you want to plot, click on element table, ls1, yes average, and this is the element table that we are having. You can save this also. Okay, and it's going to create a PDF of it. So this is element table plot, and I'm going to save it in my folder itself. Remember to create a folder. So this is what we are having. If you don't like this view, you can always zoom out, then again take a picture of it or capture image, however you want to do it. So element table plot, save. So now you can see it's not overlapping with this, all these information. So next thing what I'm going to do is I want to list reaction solution. So in list result, go for reaction solution, all items. So these are the reaction solutions, and you can save it. If you really want to do animation of it, so plot nodal solution, displacement vector sum, okay, and plot controls, you can animate deformed shape, okay. So this is how the animation will look like. You can save the animation also. You can save animation from this option and it will save it. So this was the solution for trusses with 2 elements. Thank you.